Hello, happy Earth Day, everyone, and welcome to our Earth Day water ceremony and global water crystal photography experiment. And this is actually our second experiment of a 4 experiment series. We had our first last month on World Water Day, and the third will be conducted on July 22nd, which is Dr. Emoto's birthday, and the fourth on September 22nd, which is International Peace Day. And so it really means a lot for us to come together and pay our respect to water on Earth Day, our water planet. And today we've dedicated the ceremony to all water, which includes all life, our water planet, Mother Earth, and especially to Dr. Emoto for his water wisdom, which has united us today. So hello, I'm Lindsay, water researcher, international Hiro instructor, and founder at Water Peace Project. And today I'm joined by Dr. Kumanga Andrahennadi, and Kumanga is the founder at CALM, which is an acronym for the Center of Advanced Learning and Mindfulness. And we also have our special guest, Hiro Emoto from IHM and Office Masaru Emoto. And Hiro is a Hado teacher and also Dr. Emoto's son, and he carries on his legacy. So thank you both and welcome today.
Thank you, Lindsay.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
And welcome everyone, for joining us here. Thank you everybody for joining us last month on World Water Day. I know everyone's excited and wants to know about the results that we are doing, and we're going to do a little segment maybe at the end with everything together and compare things. But for a sneak preview, we have these beautiful crystals next to Kumanga and I, and these are the results from our World Water Day ceremony. The one by Kumi is so cute and perfectly symmetrical. I love it. And the one by me is really beautiful. It's interesting because if you zoom in, it has like this earthy kind of world water kind of shape to it. It's really fascinating. So we'll share these images again so you can have a close look. And as I mentioned, we're doing 4 water crystal experiments. And the sample that you see on the image here is actually two water samples. They're merged together, and one is sitting on Hiro's desk, and the other one is in the lab being measured by a special water sensor. And today, actually, the sensor is designated for the sample all day long. So after the ceremony, the sample on the desk will get photographed for water crystals, and the one in the lab will be measured for subtle changes during this experiment. So let's please focus our attention on the water sample for the next 30 minutes. And as you know, Water Peace Project was founded in the loving memory of Dr. Masaru Emoto, and our mission is to inspire and educate the importance of water for peace. And so we do that by supporting water and consciousness-based sciences that actually bridge the gap between science and spirituality. And Dr. Emoto's water crystal photography was phenomenological research that basically can reveal the quality of vibration with a visual image through water. And so as a phenomenological researcher, he documented his observations with his water crystal photography experiments, demonstrating the power of human consciousness. And it really shows how we are related to water on a deep level. So his work was pioneering, especially his water crystal photography experiments, which basically demonstrates water memory theory. And Kumanga and I actually met while she was being certified as a water crystal photography. And also we met when we were becoming certified in Hado instructors in Kumamoto, Japan. And it's been an honor and a great friendship to have this resonance between, we supported Dr. Emoto and all of his efforts. And after he departed, we founded Water Peace Project, and Kumi and Hiro both serve our advisors here. So we're so grateful for your support and advice. And today we have Hiro Emoto, Dr. Emoto's son, and he's our special guest. And this is a special water crystal experiment to honor your father and his incredible water wisdom, and basically, which I believe elevated our human consciousness and our connection to water to another level, and especially with the water crystal photography. So it's opened our eyes, but mostly our hearts. So Hiro, I really appreciate you joining us, our sincere love and gratitude, and for being here and carrying on all these important ceremonies and your father's wisdom. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Lindsay, for inviting me today for these water crystal experiments. I know my father will be very happy that everybody can participate and learn the truth and the importance of water for peace. So I'm grateful, and I think the result for the last experiment was so great, and I saw a lot of different beautiful water crystals from the water that receive prayers from people around the world. Well, it doesn't show that many water crystals, usually, but because of the pure prayers, that sent from all over the world, created these beautiful hexagonal water crystals. So I'm excited again to do another experiment this time on Earth Day. So yeah, thanks for having me.
Thank you so much. And, a lot of people are always asking about, we're not showing the inside of the lab, we're doing the ceremony part here, but maybe Hiro, would you explain a little bit about the process, just the basic steps, so people can kind of have an idea of how we're doing?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so like we have a water samples like this one, and then we freeze the water, but of course before we take out water drops into 50 petri dishes. And then we freeze the water with the freezer. Then after like 4 hours, then we take it out and then use a microscope to observe one by one. The magnification is 100 times and sometimes 200 times. And then when the water drop is melting because of the light from the microscope, that's the moment water crystal show up, and then it will disappear after it is completely melting away. So it is like probably 2 minutes that we can observe water crystals. And then out of 50, we don't see water crystals every time. If it has a good energy, then it shows more, probably like 3, 4 beautiful water crystals. If the water is like contaminated or without good energy, it doesn't even show any water crystals. Like tap water, it's really difficult to see water crystals from it. So the Dr. Emoto's telling people that it is the design of the vibration, the water crystals. So the water, if the water has good energy, or water itself is a good water, then shows beautiful hexagonal designs of water crystal. So as you can see, the result from the last prayer experiment, we have many beautiful and hexagonal water crystals. So, that pure positive prayers certainly reach to the water here in Tokyo from all over the world.
I love that. And I didn't really realize that not all the experiments maybe produced as many or not. So I really appreciate that little detail. And it was also like in the 20 years of Dr. Emoto's experiments, over and over, water showed the natural ability to record, store, and transmit this wave information. So it's really fascinating how it truly does reflect, what water is, or what water is receiving the information. And so, and a lot of people, there was obviously, this, but some people think that because Dr. Emoto's method maybe wasn't as scientific as some scientific research is, it actually is phenomenological research, and it is valid because there's an insurmountable amount of scientific research that's being conducted that supports water memory theory. So it's really great that we're all able to participate in this. And, just before Dr. Emoto departed, I had organized for him to speak with the leading water scientists in the world at the Scientific Conference for the Physics, Chemistry, and Biology of Water in 2013 and again in 2014. But he decided to depart Earth before that, so he did not attend. But I really believe that it was almost like knowing that it was this great thing, I think, really, that knew he had accomplished, being accepted and his work being recognized in that type of environment was really powerful. And after I founded Water Peace Project, Professor Gerald Pollack sent me this beautiful message, and he said, Masaru Emoto's messages from water have inspired many scientists to look seriously into the impact of the subtle energies of water. And clearly some impact exists, as multiple laboratories have confirmed, with a growing number of laboratories in the hot pursuit of the mechanistic details. And we miss Emoto, but treasure the pioneering contributions that his great spiritual leader has brought to the world. especially the implicit change to scientists to understand the mechanistic basics to those messages from water. So I just love that, and really, isn't that nice? It really basically means they all see it happening. However, because they don't understand how it's happening, the mechanics behind it, it's not accepted as a fact, let's say. But we know, and we based Water Peace Project on basically all of Dr. Emoto's messages and teachings. And our belief is, and his message was, by holding the intention of peace towards water, by thinking, by speaking, by acting with the intentions of peace towards water, we can and will bring peace to our bodies and the world. So with this in mind, let's start the water ceremony. And first I will sound the crystal ball, and Kumanga will open up the ceremony with a guided meditation, and Hiro will lead the grand invocation in Japanese. And together we will chant the Ho'oponopono prayer. So you can follow along by repeating after us. And during the ceremony, let's continue to connect to our sincere heart and direct our feelings of love and gratitude to the water sample.
Thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Hiro-chan, for that great introduction to our ceremony and for explaining the intention behind everything that we are doing. And I would like to add a little bit, saying that not only that we have an effect on the water, but also water itself has an effect on us, because we are also water. So our water body can interact with the water bodies outside of us. And this is a great teachings that, water can become a teacher, guiding us to be calm, to clear our mind, and so on. So water is my teacher. So this is kind of the intention that we will bring in our meditation today on the World Earth Day. So I'd like to invite everyone to close your eyes and come to a comfortable posture. Bring your back off the back of the chair so we have a straight spine. And let's roll our shoulders back and let's open our heart to receive, the connection with our waters around the world. And as we take a long, deep breath in, let's take a long, deep breath in, and let's visualize that we are sitting by the ocean, our Mother Ocean. We are sitting on the golden white sand. And the sand is golden with the sun shining, beaming towards the sand. And we are overlooking the Mother Ocean. And as we take a long, deep breath in, let's connect with our Mother Ocean. So as the waves are coming towards you, we are breathing in and taking in this energy, ever-flowing energy that is flowing to us, towards our earth. And as the wave is going into the ocean, let's take a long, deep breath out, sending our love and gratitude with our out breath towards our Mother Ocean. So we are taking a long, deep breath in, taking this healing energy that is flowing from our Mother Earth, from our Mother Ocean, towards our body, inside our water body. And on the out breath, We are sending our love and gratitude from our heart to our Mother Ocean and our Mother Earth. So let's take a few breaths this way, connecting this way in the out breath and the in breath. And as we breathe this way, let's connect with the water sample sitting in front of Hiro in Japan. And on the out breath, when we are sending this feeling of love and gratitude to our Mother Earth and our waters, let's connect with this water sample as well. And now let's bring to our mind the qualities of water. What can we learn from water? The great master qualities of water. The calmness, the depth, the reflection, clarity, resilience, empathy, and all giving. These are some of the great qualities of water. And most importantly, water connects all of us around the world right now. It doesn't matter where we are right now in the world. We are all water, and there's a direct connection through our water bodies to each one of us. It doesn't matter which religion we are, which color we are, which country we are in, whether we are poor or rich. Water connects us all at one level, as one human family. So let's really connect with our hearts. Let's connect with our Mother Ocean in front of us one more time. And connecting with this feeling of love and gratitude that we've been generating from our heart towards our Mother Ocean, towards our Mother Earth. And giving thanks to everything that Mother Nature, Mother Earth has offered us to be alive right now. To be breathing one breath at a time. You're so lucky. This clean air that Mother Earth has offered us, the clean water, the clean soil, the rich soil, the food. We are all of this that Mother Nature has offered us. We are here and alive because of this. So really generating this feeling of love and gratitude towards our Mother Nature, our Mother Earth, and our waters. And again, one last time connecting with the water sample by Hiro at the moment. And offering our love and gratitude to our waters and our Mother Earth. And now, again, let's take a long, deep breath. And long deep breath out and moving our fingers and toes, we can begin to open our eyes.
Thank you, Kumanga, for leading the beautiful water ceremony. When I was praying, I felt that my water inside of the body really activated and filled with the energy of love and gratitude. And I think you feel the same too. So now I would chant the grand invocation. This grand invocation was prayer word that Dr. Emoto always chanted at the water ceremonies. And it is Japanese chant, but in English it means the eternal power of the universe has gathered itself to create the world of true and grand harmony. So these strong prayer words were created by Dr. Shioya, who is the teacher of Dr. Emoto. Dr. Shioya was a medical doctor and also a teacher of Kototama, the spirits of the world. So these prayer words really have a strong energy to cleanse the water. And yeah, we had a lot of miracles happened after we chanted these prayer words. So I'm gonna speak 3 times, and you can follow me. So, okay. 宇宙の無限の
Uchu no mugen no
力がコリコって
chikara ga kori kotte
誠の大和の
makoto no diawa no
ミヨがなりなった
miyo ga nari natta
Okay. 宇宙の無限の
uchu no mugen no
力がコリコって
chikara ga kori kotte
誠の大和の
makoto no diawa no
ミヨがなりなった
miyo ga nari natta
宇宙の無限の
uchu no mugen no
力がコリコって
chikara ga kori kotte
誠の大和の
makoto no diawa no
ミヨがなりなった
miyo
miyo
ga
ga
nari
nari natta And now we will chant the Ho'oponopono prayer. This is a powerful prayer for reconciliation. It's a Hawaiian prayer, and it's basically used for clearing. So you can follow along, just repeat after me. Water, we are sorry.
Water,
Water, we're sorry.
Water, please forgive us.
water,
Water,
please.
forgive us.
Water, we thank you.
Water,
Water, we thank you.
Water, we love you.
Water,
Water, we love you.
Water, we are sorry.
Water, we're sorry.
Water, please forgive us.
Water, please forgive us.
Water, we thank you.
Water,
thank you.
we thank you.
Water, we love you.
Water, we love you.
Water, we are sorry.
Water, we are sorry.
Water, please forgive us.
Water, please forgive us.
Water, thank you.
Water, we thank you.
Water, we love you.
Water, we love you.
So thank you, Lindsay. Thank you, Hiro. Beautiful prayers.
Thank you.
So I would like to invite everyone to take this positive energy, the healing prayers with you, and share it with everyone around you, your family members, and maybe you had a water glass near you during the practice. Maybe you can share that blessed water with your family members, your pets, and perhaps you can replay this ceremony and have a glass when you do that during our water prayers. And then maybe to celebrate the Earth Day, you can take some water to a near water body, maybe a river or the ocean or even a pond. Or if you don't have something accessible to you, you can offer the water to a tree. So this way you can offer and share the blessings of our ceremony with everyone around you and with our Mother Earth. So thank you everyone for joining, and let's keep the intention of peace and harmony, Dr. Emoto's key message, in our hearts as we go about our day-to-day activities. So I'm going to hand over to Lindsay.
I'm so dreamy right now. Kumi, you are so wonderful. You know, it was such a journey, and I really felt us all together on the beach, just like we've held our ceremonies together in person before with Dr. Emoto with us, and he had his little tuning fork. And so he has really inspired us all along our water journey and through this water planet. And his messages and wisdom really united us. And I'm eternally grateful, as I know you guys are. And I just want to thank you both for your continued support at Water Peace Project. You know, both of you are resonate with me, and I feel so supported, and it really feels great to do this with you and share this with everyone else and be able to have the water crystal experiments together. And I know that I was inspired because of your father to even begin to start to hold this ceremony, and why we founded Water Peace Project. So it will continue to inspire others. So we're really grateful. And I just want to also, we have Kumanga, we're sharing Kumanga's meditation after this. If you guys want to join Kissing the Earth at One Breath at a Time, we're going to live stream that at 12 p.m. And for those of you who are interested in learning more about water science, we are featuring a double feature this weekend again with Professor Pollack's talk on the fourth phase of water on April 24th. And we have Dr. Emoto's talk on the relationship between the fourth phase of water and water crystal photography. So that will be really interesting because we're conducting these experiments. You can tune into that and learn a lot about that. And we have our April 26th full moon meditation. That's at 11 p.m. Eastern time. And also I'm super excited to announce that we will be live streaming Dr. Rupert Sheldrake's talk on water dynamic patterns. And I'm just really excited about it because I've mentioned him a few times in our last ceremonies, and Dr. Emoto wrote about him often in his book with his research on morphic resonance, which is like what we're creating with this field of love and gratitude. And its important role in achieving peace and harmony. So I think that'll be really excellent. And last but not least, please tune in for our monthly ceremony on May 11th. We have honorary guest Samoan Nation sister Laura Sa Pele Lafoya Ava, and she's from Peace Sundays. Her program is amazing, and the work that they're doing to respect and love and protect our sacred planet and water. So there's a lot flowing on our page. Just check it out at waterpeaceproject.org, and all of our ceremonies, experiments, everything we offer is free, sponsored by Water Peace Project, and anybody could participate. All it takes is your sincere heart. So we really thank you for continuing to join us for your resonance, and love and thanks to each of you. We hope to see you again. Thanks, everybody.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for being here, Hiro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.